Hello students, today in this video I am going to discuss about chapter 15 Light part 2. Topics to be covered: lenses, some important terms, ray diagrams, images formed by lenses, uses of lenses and dispersion of light. Lenses. A lens is a curved and polished piece of transparent material. There are two types of lens: convex lens and concave lens. Some important terms. Optical center. The optical center is defined as the geometric center of the curved lens. A ray of light passing through optical center emerges from the lens undeviated from its direction. Center of the curvature. A lens has two spherical surfaces. Hence, it has two center of the curvature, one on each side of the lens. Principal axis. The line passing through the optical center and the center of the curvature of the lens is called the principal axis of the lens. Principal focus. The point on the principal axis where the light rays traveling parallel to the principal axis after refraction actually meet for a convex lens or appear to meet for a concave lens is called the principal focus of the lens. And focal length. The distance between the principal focus and the optical center of the lens is called focal length. Ray diagrams. The ray diagrams are the diagrams that are drawn according to the direction in which rays of light travels. Images formed by convex lens. When the object is placed at f1, the image is formed at infinity, real and inverted, and magnified. And when the object is placed between f and o, focus and optical center, the image is formed on the same side of the lens, virtual and erect and magnified. But when the object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at f2, means center of the curvature, and real and inverted and highly diminished. Image is formed by concave lens. With the concave lens, the image will always be diminished the right way up and virtual. Uses of spherical lenses. The usage of concave lens. Concave lens is used in telescope, spectacles, door hole lenses, and usage of convex lens used in telescope, spectacles, and microscope. Dispersion of light. Student, have you seen rainbow in the sky? Does it appear after rainfall? And what causes rainbow? Rainbow. Take a prism, a glass block shaped like pyramid, and allow light to pass through it. Light bends when it enters the prism. It also is split into 7 colors, and this splitting of light into 7 colors is called dispersion of light. So dispersion of light is a phenomena in which white light is split into its 7 colors. The band of 7 colors obtained due to the dispersion is called spectrum. The natural phenomena of formation of rainbow is due to the dispersion of light. When it rains, the water molecules remain suspended in the air and act like a small prism. The sun shine and the dispersion of sunlight by water droplet causes rainbow. The similar rainbow can be seen in the waterfall and spray of water.